OEM 340i muffler rev. So check this out. This is how we're going to mount. This is an mPerformance muffler on a 2018 340i. So I'm going to show you guys real quick how to install this. So we need to find out where going to be our cut marked. So you want to measure this piece. So we have a piece of welding wire here that we're going to bend up to get the length. Okay, but then you're gonna see where this is where the exhaust tube is going to slip in. You want to measure up until about here or so, something like that, somewhere around here, and that's where we're gonna cut. Don't measure to here, measure to here, because this is where your cut line is going to be. And then once we cut that, this will slip right in. You're going to want to add a little bit, maybe like WD-40 or something, help it kind of slide in, and then we'll put it on the car. All right, so measured it, right? Made the cut roughly. And the good thing is the exhaust actually moves quite a bit, so it should be easy to be able to put back on. Just one cut. I used a Sawzall with a new blade on it, just to make it a nice, fresh, clean cut. Make sure you deburr the edges with a file, kind of just around the outside, because if there's anything that catches on the outside, it'll make it harder to slip in. Like for example, like right here, there's a tiny bit right there. Just slightly clean the edge right there until it's nice and smooth. I cleaned it up, and now I'm just gonna spray a little bit of WD-40 just on the outside, and what that's gonna do is it'll just help lube the pipe, so when we go to slide it in, it's good to go. And that's it. So you'll see in a second. All right, so just got the muffler on. Super easy. So once I got the WD-40 on there, slipped right in, bolted it right up, and that's it. Just made sure these are lined up properly so they're even, and then just clamped it down nice and tight, and about to start up. All right, so here is the first start with the mPerformance exhaust.